Welcome. In front of me is a Gateway Ultra Slim 71517 laptop, and in this video I will show you how to use on-screen keyboard feature on this device. So in case you have access to your physical keyboard, or maybe you have an external one, you can use Ctrl, Shift and O buttons combination to awake the Windows Ctrl O combination to awake the on-screen keyboard. And once you do that, you will see it on the screen. This kind of keyboard can be reshaped, resized by dragging the sides and corners of it. It has all the keys that you need, plus the numpad keys. So yeah, you can use it wherever you want on your device. But since you want to use an on-screen keyboard, I understand that you probably don't have access to your physical one. And in such case, you'll have to go to the Start menu, then open Settings, then go to Accessibility Settings, and then scroll down to the Keyboard section, open it, and to enable on-screen keyboard, switch this toggle to the right, and you will see the very same on-screen keyboard. Now, if you don't want to go to the settings each time you want to open an on-screen keyboard, you can use the alternative one. To do that, go to Personalization, scroll down and select the taskbar option right here. Then you'll see the touch keyboard, and just select Always right here. Once you select it, you will be able to see an icon on your taskbar, and if you click on it, you will see the keyboard that you can use just as in the same way as you did with the previous one. Now, this keyboard cannot be adjusted, so it will simply appear at the bottom of your screen, but it's just as usable, and it's very convenient to use if you need to access the on-screen keyboard every once in a while. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.